Shemai, and welcome to Welsh with Bernie. In this week's episode, we're going to be looking...
Hey, Bernie.
Oh, whoa. I didn't know you were in this morning.
Of course I'm in, we're shooting my show.
Right. Maybe you and I should have a quick chat in my trailer, huh? Follow me.
You have a trailer?
Gwarts wyth, teimladau.
Come in, sit down.
I think I'll stand.
Just suit yourself. So, whoa. Here's the situation. It's my show now.
What? Why?
Well, I watched a couple of the old episodes. You know what? It's not about what I think. It's about how you feel. How do you feel, Woe?
Dwi'n teimlo'n drist.
Dy cyn Raymond Trist.
Actually, na, dwi'n teimlo'n grac.
Grac? Well, I don't think you should be grac. I think you should be hapus. Dwi'n cyffroes about the whole situation.
Well, of course you're cyffroes. Ond, dwi ddim yn hapus. And how do you think the people watching are going to feel? They're going to be diflas.
Diflas? Well, now you're just being gas. You know what? Ydych chi'n moyn coffee? Ydych chi'n hoffi coffee, Woe?
Ydw dwi'n hoffi coffee.
I'm gonna get you a coffee.
Na, sai moyn coffee. Dwi moyn explanation.
Well, here's the explanation. I have nothing else to do.
And how do you think that makes me feel? Dwi'n teimlo'n drist. A dwi'n teimlo'n grac.
Well, dwi'n teimlo hapus, cyffroes.
So what are we gonna do?
Well, here's what... Oh, sorry, let me get that.
Dwi di blino.
Alright, good news. You can have your show back.
Why? Where are you going?
Well, I just got invited onto Celebrity Drag Race, and that sounds pretty fun, so... Yeah, I'm gonna do that.
Diolch, Bernie.
Hwyl dda, Miss Addams.
Well, now I feel happiest. Hwyl fawr, everyone.
If you're enjoying Welsh with Woe, make sure to like and subscribe. Look, down there. That's where it all is.